In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Cloudflare's interface to light mode in just a few simple steps. If you've been using Cloudflare in dark mode but prefer a lighter interface, you can easily change this setting right from the dashboard. Whether you're new to Cloudflare or just exploring its settings for a more comfortable user experience, I'm here to guide you through the process. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Cloudflare dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if this is your first time here. The dashboard is your main hub for managing your Cloudflare settings, and today, you'll be making a small but impactful change. Now that you're situated on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a profile icon. This icon is often represented by either your initials or a simple profile silhouette, depending on your account personalization. Hover over this icon for just a moment and you'll see that it serves as a gateway to a variety of account settings. Next, click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options related to your Cloudflare account. It's within this menu that you'll find the setting to switch to light mode. If you don't immediately see it, don't worry. Sometimes these settings can be easy to overlook at first glance. Simply take a careful look as you scroll through the menu. Once the drop-down is visible, look for the option labeled Light Mode. It's usually located among other display settings or account preferences. When you spot it, give it a click. This single action will instantly transform the interface from dark mode to light mode, offering a different aesthetic that may be easier on the eyes, especially during the day or in well-lit environments. And just like that, you've successfully changed your Cloudflare dashboard to light mode. This alteration can make a significant difference in your user experience, particularly if you prefer brighter visuals or if they better suit your work environment. Remember, you can switch back to dark mode anytime you wish by following these same steps. So feel free to adjust your settings based on your preference as needed. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Switching between modes to suit your preference is a great way to personalize your Cloudflare dashboard for optimal usability. If you have any questions or need further assistance with other features, be sure to explore Cloudflare's support resources or community forums. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy your newly customized dashboard interface.